See, trigonometry means, what do you mean by trigonometry, children? What do you mean by trigonometry? Tri means three, metry means measurements, right? So this trigonometry is applicable only for right angle triangle, okay? Trigonometry is applicable for right angle triangle. A, B, C. Okay. If this angle, suppose if we're having any mountain, okay. Suppose if we have any mountain here. How to find the height of the mountain? How to find the height of the mountain? Suppose this is curved path, right? We don't know, we can't go like how to just find the height. Height is always slant, right? Sorry, the vertical, right? Height is always vertical. So how to measure this height? Can anybody tell me how to measure the height of the mountain?
To use the hypotenuse at the base.
So using the height of the base.
Yeah, from the outside of the mountain, from some place, okay, we have to take one thread or something like that, so that this thread reaches to the earth at some angle, suppose 30 degree or something like that. Okay, this base or this hypotenuse should be known to you, right? Suppose anything is there, suppose this is x. So by the help of this relation between this and this perpendicular will give you the height of this. So like this only we are going to find actually. So here we'll get to know if this is theta. So you people are read in perpendicular base hypotenuse form or opposite adjacent hypotenuse form. Which one you are preferring here? Opposite adjacent hypotenuse or perpendicular base hypotenuse? Which one you are preferring here, children? Tell all of you. You are preferring first one or second one? Which one you are preferring here? Actually, your textbooks, it has mentioned opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So if this is theta, which side is opposite? If you see from here, this side is opposite. So this side is your AB is opposite. So your base adjacent is nothing but BC. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay. If I give the example of other triangle, but if I change the theta, instead of this theta, I've written here this is theta. So which one is opposite in this case? Which one is opposite in this case? Opposite is BC, adjacent is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. This is not going to change because it's the longest side, and your adjacent and opposite depends on this theta, this acute angle. Okay, depend on this acute angle. So we are having so many angles. This theta can be sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Other one is cosec, sec, and cosec, sec, and cot. These already 6 type of theta we are having: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Sine 0 value, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree. Do you know, children, what is the angle sine 0 and sine 30 and all? All of you know the degree of it? What is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but ratio of, tan theta is the ratio of sine theta divided by cos theta. Tan theta is the ratio of sine theta and cos theta. Again, cosec theta, cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta.
1 by sin theta.
Yeah, cosec is reciprocal of sine theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. For cot theta, what you can write? Cot theta you can write 1 by tan theta,
1
or you can write cos
or
theta by,
cos theta by sin theta.
yeah. So first of all, children, you should know all these things, then only we can write this formula by the help of this. If you're finding, if you know sine and cos, if you know sine and cos, you can find tan, that is ratio of sine and cos, right? If you want to find cosec, then you should reciprocal sine theta. If you want to find cos sec theta, then sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, and we can write cos theta by sin theta because tan theta is what? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So cot theta is what? Reciprocal of tan theta. So we can write cos theta divided by sin theta. Is it clear, children? You can remember like this.
Yes.
Someone is saying to repeat. I'm not able to hear properly. Please repeat once again. You want to ask something? Anybody is? I'm not getting your voice. Anybody is just getting his voice? Children, anybody is getting his voice? What he's telling?
No, sir.
See, sine 0 value is 0. Sine 0 value is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. So if I tell you why sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, then what do you say? Why sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2? And before this table, you should read one more thing. Okay, repeat. Okay, I'm repeating once again. See, what I'm saying here is, Hemant, try to understand again. Tan theta is ratio of sine theta by cos theta. Cosec theta is ratio of, not ratio, you can say cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, or you can write cos theta by sine theta because tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So cot theta is reciprocal of tan. So cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. So children, anyone can tell me why sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2? Before that, you should remember so kahat toa. So kahat toa. S is for sine, C for cos, T for tan. Okay. And here you should put one line over here. That is sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Is it clear, children? And sine theta reciprocal is cosec theta. So for cosec theta, you should just reciprocal it, h by o, you should write. For sec theta, you should write h by a. For sec theta, you should write h by a. And for cot theta, you should write a by o. Is it clear, children? Because cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos, cot is reciprocal of tan. The name you should remember as Soh Kah Toa. Okay. Soh Kah Toa. Is it clear? Anyone having doubt? Or if you are learning
No.
in other forms, suppose like perpendicular base and hypotenuse form. Okay. So you can remember like perpendicular base, perpendicular here, and here is P by H, B by H, P by B. So we are just telling that Pandit Bhola Prasad. Okay. Pandit Bhola Prasad, Har Har Bhole. And S for sine. Sine, this is cos, this is tan. If you are learning in PBH form, P by H is sine, B by H is cos, P by B is tan. So Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bhole, Chandi, silver Chandi, Sona Chandi Tole. S for Sona, C for Chandi, and Tole means measurement. Okay. Anyone you can remember, but in your NCERT they have written this form only. That is opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse form. So anyone you can remember, whichever is convenient to you. Okay. In ICC board, they have children are learning in this form. That is perpendicular base form. So anyone you can remember. So other name of opposite is perpendicular, and other name of adjacent is base. Okay. So children, anyone having doubt? If those who are not getting it right here, O is opposite. I've written top only, no? Okay. Now anybody can tell me why sine 30 degrees equals to 1 by 2. Children, those who have read, you can just help me out with this. Sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. How we can say, or we have to just remember this. Yeah, safe. Children. Adarsh, can you tell me? Samarth, Javian.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So here, first you can just draw one triangle over here. You can just draw one triangle. If this is 30 degree, so sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. This is your opposite, and this is your hypotenuse.
Sir, I can tell it, sir. Sir, I can tell it now.
Okay, fine. Tell.
Yes, sir. If this angle is 30 degree, then the other angle, there is a right angle triangle. So one angle is 90, another angle is 30. So the third angle must be 60 degrees.
Okay.
So angles here, AB is opposite to angle C, and BC is opposite to say 60 degree. The 60 degrees double up 30 degree, and BC is double up AB.
Yeah, that also is one possibility. And second, if you take the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse, if you take the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse, opposite is this one. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, you can draw. Okay. You can just draw one 30-degree angle over here. If AB is 2 centimeter, we will find hypotenuse is 4 centimeter. Okay. That's why sine 30 degrees equals to what? 1 by 2. Why we are getting 1 by 2? Because the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse is what? 1 by 2. I am repeating once again. If you just draw this triangle where acute angle is 30 degree, so the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse will come 1 by 2. That's why we have written here 1 by 2 over here. Similarly, you can just find everything. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So cos theta is just ulta of sine, just right from back. 1 right from back, that is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 as it is, then 1 by 2 and here 0. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone, those who want to ask doubts still here, you can ask. Those who are having doubt, they can ask or can message here. So tan theta, just who will tell me for tan theta? Tan
Sir,
theta,
I can.
yeah, tell tan theta values.
Oh, sir, yeah. Tan theta values are sir 0 for 0 degrees.
Okay,
Then 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3,
Then 1.
1.
Then root 3. Not defined.
Not defined, or you can say infinity, anyone. Okay, so how this is coming? How this is coming? 0, 1 by root 3. Tan theta, tan 30 degrees equals to 1 by root 3. Chanchal, why it is coming 1 by root 3? Can you hear me? Chanchal,
Yes, sir.
why tan theta, tan 30 degrees equals to 1 by root 3? Can you tell me?
Sir, sine upon cos, so sir.
So 1 by root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, right? So
Yes, sir.
we are just writing here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So we can write 1 by 2 multiply by 2 by root 3. So 2 will get cancelled and get 1 by root 3. So we can divide and check. Tan theta is just this ratio of sine and cos. Now cosec theta, Chanchal, you tell me for cosec theta what we can write for cosec theta. Can you hear me, Chanchal? Ananya. Who was telling the answer for tan theta? Others, you?
Sir,
You were saying the answer. Who was
sir, I
saying the
was
answer?
telling for 10. Sir,
Tan.
Samarth, I was telling for 10.
Okay,
Tan.
Samarth. Okay, Samarth. Fine, then I'll just give some. Hemant, can you tell? Hemant Reddy, can you tell the answer for this cosec theta? Only him.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, say.
Sir, 0 is 0.
0 is 0.
30 is like the first one.
0 is 0. Why
Sir,
0 is 0?
0 upon 0. Sir.
Not 0 upon 0. See, sine 0 is 0, right? So what is
Yes,
reciprocal of 0? Chanchal, what is reciprocal of 0? Tell me. Reciprocal
0,
of.
sir.
No. See, this is 0 by 1. So reciprocal of this is what?
1, sir.
1 by 0, no?
Yes,
And 1 by 0 is what? What is
only
1?
1.
Hey, it's not defined. See here. 90
No.
degree, what we have did? 1 by 0 is not defined. So if denominator is coming 0, so this is coming not defined. Remember that. Because 1 rupee is dividing into 0 people. It means nonsense question. So not defined, or you can say infinity. Okay. So first answer is not defined, or you can say infinity. Okay, tell me the second part. Second is easy, right?
Sir,
Okay, 2. Next.
then root 2.
Mhm.
2 upon root 3.
Okay.
1, sir.
Yeah. So only should remember this part only. Okay. If 0 is coming anywhere, so reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Remember, children. Okay. Anybody else tell me for sec theta? Anyone can try now? Only 2 children told me this one. Anyone
Sir,
who want to try
For which one?
for sec theta?
Right.
Sir, I wanna try.
Mm, just 2 people over. Other than these 2 people, anyone can try. Praharshan, you
Can I
can.
try?
Yeah, try.
So for the first one, it's 1/0. For the cos.
First one is 1 only, no? This is sec theta is reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 1 is 1 only. Okay. Next,
2/√3, √2, 2, and
by root 3, root 2. Then,
2,
okay,
undefined.
not defined. Okay. Or you can write ulta of cosec theta also. You can write from back to start. Okay. Now cot theta. Anyone can try cot theta now.
So
Cot
can
theta-
I?
Yeah, try.
So the
Sir, may
first one is not defined, sir.
Okay. First one is not defined. Is
Then-
it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then sir, the second one is √3.
Okay.
Then sir, the third one is 1, sir.
Okay. Next.
The next one is the √3/3.
No. It was 1 by root 3. No. Root 3 by
No,
1.
sir, it is √3/3, no, sir.
Okay. Root 3 by 3 is nothing but what? If you cancel this, we'll get 1 by root 3 only. No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Then sir, 0, sir.
Then 0. Okay. Nice. So this children, this is very important. This whole page is very important. Almost half of the chapter will get finished in this page. Okay. So if you can take the screenshot, or I'll share this one, okay, with you. So again, I'm repeating once again this whole page of this. Tan theta is just ratio of sine by cos. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan, and we can write cos theta by sec theta also. And we can remember ratio in the form of soh kah toa, or you can remember Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bhole, Sona Chandi Tole. Which one, if you want to remember, you can do that. Okay. So till here, anyone having doubt? Because I can ask anytime from tomorrow onwards. Be ready. We have to remember this from Monday onwards. Whatever the next class will come, you have to remember with all the formulas. Okay. Till here,
Alright.
anyone? Huh? Till here, anyone having doubt? They can ask any part of it.
No, sir. No.
0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Now next concept, we are moving to the next concept. If you are complete with the concept, this concept, then we're moving to the next concept, that is complementary angles. Okay. The next concept is complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? Who can explain me? Anyone can tell me complementary angles? What are complementary angles?
Sir, whose sum is 90 degree, exactly 90 degree.
Yeah. So the two angles sum should be equal to 90 degree. So here sine 90 minus theta, it means complement of sine theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equals to what? That you should remember, that two angles are complementary if their measures add to 90 degree are called supplementary if the measures add to 180 degree. Fine, it's correct, Ananya. Very good. So next one is sine 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So complementary of sine theta is nothing but cos theta, and complementary of cos theta is nothing but same sine theta.
90.
So first part is, if I'll ask you complementary of sine theta, you should tell cos theta. If I ask complementary of cos, you should tell sin theta. Don't confuse between reciprocal part, children. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Okay. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, but complement of sin theta is nothing but cos theta. Is it clear? So don't confuse between reciprocal and complementary. Is it clear to everyone? So
Yes, sir. It's clear.
reciprocal is different concept and complement is different concept. Now sec 90 minus theta is equals to what?
Cosec.
Cosec theta, yes.
Cosec, sir.
Yeah. Sir, will theta always be angle C? Theta can be anything. See, it doesn't. I told two, this one. Who is asking the question? Drishi. Drishi, see here. I'm not telling that theta is always that only. I've given two figures here. See, I've given two figures here. First one was here, theta is angle C, and in the second figure, see, what is there in second figure? I've taken theta as angle A. Is it clear, Drishi? So theta can be anyone depending on the question. That's why theta opposite is your PC. That's why here opposite is coming and here AB is opposite. Okay. So opposite and adjacent depends completely on your, what about angle B? B is 90 degree now here. B is 90 degree. We are talking always about 90 degree, right? B always we are talking for 90 degree. This is clear. This in right angle triangle, one should be must 90 degree. Okay. So your acute angle is either A or C. Or if you change the name XYZ, then depends on you. Is it clear, Drishi? Okay, all right. So you should not confuse between complementary angles and reciprocal. The sec theta reciprocal is cosec theta. See, both sec is coming. Sec. The reciprocal of sec theta is cosec theta, and reciprocal of cosec theta is sec theta. Okay, or you can secant theta, you can say. But reciprocal of sec is cos. Reciprocal of cosec is sine, like that. Means this will, both are different. Okay. So complement of sec theta is cosec theta, and complement of cosec theta is sec theta. Is it clear, children, till here to everyone? But last one, tan and cot part. Last one is tan theta. So this is reciprocal as well as complement. Both are same for tan. Okay. So tan theta is nothing but cot theta, and cot theta is nothing but, and cot theta reciprocal of complement of cot theta is nothing but tan theta. So these are the things we need to remember. So here, so tan, complement of tan and cot. Complement of tan is cot and complement of cot is tan, and reciprocal also same. So this is the complete concept of complementary angles. If you do the questions, then you can understand better. But till the concept is this much only. Complementary concept is this much. It's not coming apart from it. So next we are going to start with identities, trigonometric identities. Okay. Next we are going to start with trigonometric identities. What is identity? Identity is nothing but one, right? Trigonometry trigonometric identities. Okay. Trigonometric identities. The first identity is sin square theta or sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. If you take any angle over here, if theta is same, sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree to find, you will get the value as 1. Okay. Or we can write the same thing as, or we can write what? Cos square theta is equals to what we can write? 1 minus sin square
Sine
theta.
square.
Or one more thing you can write, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Is it clear? This is not three identities. This is only one identity, but we have written in different ways. Okay. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square theta plus is equals to 1 minus sine square theta, and sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Next identity is anyone knows, children? Next identity is, any one of you know, children?
Sir,
Any of you know the next identity?
yeah, sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1.
See, this is going to finish the meeting. You can join once again within 10 seconds going to over. Yeah, tell me that second identity, what you
Okay.
told right now. Second identity is,
Sir, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1.
okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Okay, fine. This is